7th class English, second lesson, C.V. Raman, The Pride of India. ఈ lesson glossary. Lost in thought, giving all your attention to something so that you do not notice what is happening around you. Transparent, allowing you to see through it. Sophisticated, advanced and capable. Equipment, the things that are needed for a particular activity. Modification, change. Discovery, the process of finding something that was not known about before. Red letter day, an important day. Surgeon, a doctor who is trained to perform surgery. Abroad, in or to a foreign country. Flag, decline, become less. Stringed instrument, any musical instrument with strings. Example, violin, the sitar. Harmonious, very pleasant. Knight, a man of high social rank or a person with the title. Confine, to restrict. Archaeology, the study of the cultures of the past. Physiology, the study of the bodies of living things. Psychology, the study of the mind. Geology, the study of earth. Zoology, the study of animals. Optics, the study of light. Write the meaning of underlined word. కింద కొన్ని సెంటెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి, అందులో కొన్ని వర్డ్స్కి అండర్లైన్ ఉంది. దానికి సేమ్ మీనింగ్ వచ్చే అనదర్ వర్డ్ మనం రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్, హిస్ పేరెంట్స్ వర్ కీన్ టు సెండ్ హిమ్ అబ్రోడ్ ఫర్ హయ్యర్ స్టడీస్. అండర్లైన్ వర్డ్ కీన్, దాని మీనింగ్ ఈగర్. ద వరల్డ్ హెయిల్డ్ ద డిస్కవరీ యాజ్ ద రామన్ ఎఫెక్ట్. అండర్లైన్ వర్డ్ హెయిల్డ్, meaning admired. In his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. Mainly, primarily. The British made Raman a knight of the British Empire. Made, placed. Raman passed away on November 21, 1970. Passed away, meaning died. Raman was equally delighted. The underlined word delighted is a verb and has been used to express a feeling of joy or happiness. Its noun form is delight. Now look at the following verbs and write their corresponding noun forms. ఇక్కడ డిలైటెడ్ అనే వర్బ్ ఫామ్కి నౌన్ ఫామ్ డిలైట్. ఇలా వచ్చే ఇంకొన్ని వర్డ్స్ చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ సైడ్ వర్బ్ ఫామ్స్, ఇక్కడ నౌన్ ఫామ్స్. ఎంజాయ్డ్, ఎంజాయ్మెంట్. సర్ప్రైజ్డ్, సర్ప్రైజ్. డిసప్పాయింటెడ్, డిసప్పాయింట్మెంట్. వర్రీడ్, వర్రీ. సాటిస్ఫైడ్, సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్, సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్. ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ విత్ ద సూటబుల్ నౌన్ ఫామ్స్. ఇక్కడ మనకిచ్చిన సెంటెన్స్లో వర్బ్ ఫామ్కి అండర్లైన్ ఉంది, అదే సెంటెన్స్లో వేరే దగ్గర బ్లాంక్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ బ్లాంక్లో మనం మనకిచ్చిన అండర్లైన్ వర్డ్కి సూటబుల్ నౌన్ ఫామ్ ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. లిజన్ ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్. హీ వాస్ షాక్డ్ టు సీ ఏ స్నేక్ ఇన్ హీస్ రూమ్ బట్ హీ రికవర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ హిస్ డాష్ ఇన్ నో టైమ్. షాక్డ్కి నౌన్ ఫామ్ షాక్. He pretended to look relieved, but in fact, he did not have any relief. Relieved, verb form, relief, noun form. I can understand your excitement, but do not be so excited that you have health problems. Excited, verb form, excitement, noun form. Raju, an auto driver, was very honest. His honesty was known to everybody. When he returned the bag of jewelry a passenger had left in his auto. Honest, honesty. ఫుల్ ఫామ్ ఆఫ్ ద అబ్రివేషన్స్. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని అబ్రివేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాటి ఫుల్ ఫామ్స్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి. ఎంఏ మాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ట్స్, బిఏ బ్యాచిలర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ట్స్, ఏడి ఆఫ్టర్ డెత్, బీసీ బిఫోర్ క్రీస్ట్, సిఎం చీఫ్ మినిస్టర్, సిడి కాంపాక్ట్ డిస్క్, డివిడి డిజిటల్ వీడియో డిస్క్, ఏఎం యాంటీ మెరిడియన్, పిఎం పోస్ట్ మెరిడియన్. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని షార్ట్ ఫామ్స్ వాటి ఫుల్ ఫామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చూద్దాం. ల్యాబ్ ల్యాబొరేటరీ, ప్లేన్ ఏరోప్లేన్, కిలో కిలోగ్రామ్, పారాగ్రాఫ్, స్పెక్స్ స్పెక్టాకిల్స్, ఫోటో ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్, బైక్ మోటార్ బైక్, మైక్ మైక్రోఫోన్. Fill in the blanks with in, on, it. Ram and Suma are brother and sister. Ram was born on 25th April in 2000. Suma was born on December 2, 2001. They are with their parents. They live at Masaipet, a small village in Medak district. They play games at school. It is usually very hot in May at their village. So they spend their summer in Hyderabad at their uncle's house. Mr. Rao is their uncle. He resides at High Court Colony in Hyderabad with his wife and kids. Articles. A is used before singular common nouns or in noun phrases beginning with consonant sounds. An is used before singular common nouns or in noun phrases beginning with vowel sounds. Da is used before words or phrases that indicate unique things. It was the headquarters of the Indian Association. In situations where the sentence itself contains a clue to identify the thing or the person referred to, his advice to young scientists was to look at the world around them. In social situations where the identity of the person or object is understood. But look here, Krishnan, he said, turning to the young man. Before the names of musical instrument, he studied how stringed instruments like the violin. వీటి ముందు మనం దా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. In 1987, Miss Swaminathan was awarded the Raman Magsaysay Award. Second one, we dined yesterday at the Maurya Sheraton Hotel. Third one, Tejaswini lent me an interesting book. Tejaswini lent me an interesting book. I am a school teacher. M.S. Swaminathan worked at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Rekha bought a long notebook yesterday. Suma is eating a mango now. Ganesh always carries an umbrella with him. Sushma is an English teacher in a high school. Suma and Shruti play the guitar well. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ లెసన్లోని ఎడిటింగ్ చూద్దాం. రామన్ వాజ్ బర్న్ ఆన్ November 7, 1888 ఎట్ తిరుచినాపల్లి ఇన్ తమిళనాడు. He finished his MA course at Presidency College in Chennai. He became member of the Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. He took up an administrative job in the finance ministry in Calcutta. He was elected to the Royal Society of London in 1924, and the British government made him a Knight of the British Empire in 1929. He was the first Indian scholar who studied wholly in India and received the Nobel Prize. Glossary: Plot: a secret plan made to do something wrong. Throw: see through. Understand: the rot. The situation is getting worse. Cloning: producing an exact copy of an animal. Quantum leap: a sudden, great, and important change. Stem cell: a basic type of cell from which all other cells develop. Fossil: the remains of an animal or a plant which have become hard and turned into rock. Concern: worry. Do you know? It takes about 20 seconds for a red blood cells to circle the whole body. It has been proven that people can lessen reactions to allergies by laughing. 6-year-old laugh on an average of 300 times, but adults laugh only 15 to 100 times a day. Water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degree Fahrenheit. Water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degree Fahrenheit. There are 180 degrees between freezing and boiling because there are 180 degrees between the north and south.